Hello everybody, welcome to Appliance Factory YouTube channel. This is Max once again. Today we're going to be talking about how to change a water filter on different types of fridges. There's a few different kinds you need to look out for. The first kind, you're going to see it kind of up here. You basically press down on it, unscrew it, take it out. And it goes in the same way, pop it back in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. For some fridges, you kind of have to look a little bit lower. They've got a little compartment, something like that, where you can unscrew it, pop it out, whatever you need to do. They're usually pretty easy. This one you just pull out, pop back in, close it up. For some fridges, you have a similar design, but it'll be up top. You basically just pull on it and pop it out. Relatively easy, then it'll pop right in. Your water filter should be good to go. Some fridges you have to be a little more careful with. You've got an unscrewed thing right here, and that's how you take it out. It's simple enough. You shouldn't have any issues popping them out, anything like that. And it's very important to change your water filter every 6 months. The reason you want to change your water filter every 6 months is because it's going to build up a lot of pressure. It's going to get very tight and not let any water through, which could create a lot of issues for making ice or your water coming out. And it might even taste bad, and nobody wants it. This has been Max with Appliance Factory. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give us a like and a subscribe.